Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Fatema to Zohra Latif, your Fatima Miss, your science teacher. Okay, today I'm back with another video and another topic. Okay, so at first you have to tell me how are you. I hope so. You are being so well and healthy, mashallah, and I'm also very fine and healthy, alhamdulillah. Okay, so what I'm saying that today I'm going to take some topics about some broad questions answer, some fill in the blanks. So let's start our class. And for your kind information, today I am taking a class by the sheet, and need not to worry that soonly you will provide your sheet by your branch or by your school. Okay. So what I am saying that today I am going to teach some question answer, and it's all about chapter 4 water for life. Okay, already we read down this chapter. Okay, and here is the sheet in my hand. Okay, here is the sheet. Okay, yesterday I made a video about some short questions answer and some broad questions answer, and today I am going to teach you about another some broad question answers. Okay, so let's start our class. So here is another question answer. Okay, so you see number 3, how can we prevent water pollution? Again I am saying that how can we prevent water pollution? Okay, here is the you see that here is the question, how can we prevent water pollution? The answer is we can prevent water pollution by taking some steps that are given below. So the number 1 point is we should not throw waste materials into water. Okay, we should not throw waste materials into water. Number 2, human waste should not be thrown into water. Number 2 point is human waste should not be thrown into water. And finally, number 3 point is mills and factories should stop throwing waste materials into water. Number 3 point is mills and factories should stop throwing waste materials into water. So here is the water pollution or water prevention steps. Okay. Then number 4 question answer is how can we prevent misuse of water? The answer is there is not much usable water left on earth. So we have not much enough water or usable water in our earth or in our world. So how to prevent how the prevention? Okay, so we can prevent misuse of water following the task given below. Number 1, unnecessary water tap cannot be left. So unnecessary water tap cannot be left. Number 2, tube well water cannot be taken without any need. Tube well water cannot be taken without any need. Number 3, after the use, the water tap must be stopped. Number 3, after the use, the water tap must be stopped. So here the prevention of misuse of water. So now today we are being learn about the number 3 question, how can we prevent water pollution, and number 4 question, how can we prevent misuse of water. So here is the broad questions. Okay, then we go to the topic of fill in the blanks, and here is the fill in the blanks of chapter 4. So here is the fill in the blanks of chapter 4 which I am going to teach you. So now you have to remind one thing, that when you memorize your fill in the blanks options or fill in the blanks topics, you have to read down firstly without any clue. Okay, such as, because here all the answer being seen. Okay, being appeared. Okay, so number 1 here is water is natural resources. So we can read this way. Water is dash resources. Answer is water is a natural resources. Number 2, we number 2 number 2, water dash happens then when harmful waste gets into water. Okay, again I'm telling you that here you see water dash happens when harmful waste gets into water. So answer is water pollution happens when harmful waste gets into water. Okay, then number 3. Okay, then number 3. Number 3 here is rain, river, sea and tap are the dash of water. Rain, river, sea and tap are the resources of water. Okay, resources of water. Then number 4, sea water is dash. Then number 4, sea water is dash. So the answer is sea water is salty. We already know that. Okay, then number 5, polluted water is dash for people. Polluted water is unsafe for people. Okay, then number 6, the water from tube well marked in dash in arsenic is arsenic free. So the answer is the water from tube well marked in green is arsenic free. So number 7. Okay, here is number 7. Number 7 is the water from tube well marked in dash is arsenic contaminated. Okay, so number 7 is the water from tube well marked is in red is arsenic contaminated. Okay, then number 8, our earth is covered with dash and dash. Okay, our earth is covered with land and water. Okay, here is 2 blanks. Okay, then number 9, water is very dash for people. So water is very important for people. Okay, then number 10, arsenic may cause skin disease and dash. So arsenic may cause skin disease and cancer. Okay, answer is cancer. So here are the all topic or all question answer which is being learned by you. Okay, and after the class I'm sending you the screenshot of the sheet. Okay, and need not to worry about your sheet, because I'm again telling you that soonly you will provide your sheet by your branch or by your school. Okay, and one more thing, you have to not read down, also write down again and again, so that you can be made perfect for your exam. Okay, so one more thing I have to tell you that when at the of the topic of fill in the blanks, when you read down, you have to read without answer, such as what I'm saying, that such as number 1, water is, here you can use your finger. Okay, water is a dash resources. You can now you can memorize that water is a natural resources. Like that, you have to memorize the fill in the blanks, and you have to read down and you have to memorize the broad question answer. Okay, and all the broad question and short question answer. So here my class is being end. Okay, so today is no more today. Okay, and I have to go, so stay safe and healthy in this pandemic situation. Okay, so Allah Hafiz.